Hello everyone, Paddy here, and it's time for another brick build. So, continuing on with space theme, we were Mighty Micros, and we have Star-Lord versus Nebula in a little mini Milano. This will be our smallest Milano. We've got a mini Milano over there, and we've got the full-size Milano somewhere to build. That'll be coming up sometime soon. But, Mighty Micros time. Let's go with it. And there they are. So, well, I was impressed with these. Well, I am impressed with them. I'll start with Nebula. I'm not impressed with Nebula. Mainly because this vehicle could be any generic spaceship. Unfortunately, Nebula doesn't really have her own style as such, because in the comics, she's not really a bad guy. She's part of... Well, she was a bad guy. She's a bit of a character that's underdeveloped, as it were, so they're having to develop her, so a bit harder to do a personalised ship here. I mean, it's fair enough, it looks spacey, stabby enough. She's got Star-Lord's tape. I do like the minifig. I might get some full-size legs for that one. But here we go, the Milano. I think again, this is another one of those cases where, given the number of pieces they've got, they've done a really good job of finding the original ship look. That does look like it's a mini version of the Milano. What wasn't quite so which wasn't quite as obvious, is that Star-Lord is dual printed. I don't think I've had a Mighty Micro that's been dual printed before. I normally only have one face. Not that it matters, because if you're having Star-Lord, you have his mask. However, for the price, as always, because it's only about 10-15 quid's worth of Lego, you can't really blame them for cutting corners a few places. They can't all be standout models. But I did like them overall. So, as always, do the YouTube things, and we will see you next time when I'm not quite sure what we're building next. But I'll see you then. Bye.